Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another decluttering video today, guys. So in today's video I'll be decluttering all my shoes, my makeup and my accessories today, guys. One is just a quickly clip when I actually decluttered all my clothes. So thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to find out, or if you guys wanted to join me how I decluttered the rest of my things, my shoes, my accessories, my makeup and my clothes, please keep on watching. Where we keep all our shoes. So we've actually got our own allocated shelving because I'm going to be decluttering only my shoes today. So this will be my area here. So that's all my shoes there, guys, and there's also some on the bottom. Okay, and there's also I think there's probably like a couple on the top shelves as well that I want to have a look to keep a spare thoughts. Okay, these are actually my Nike runners that I'm probably gonna keep. Okay, this is my Converse. So this is my Converse. This is actually my Converse shoes, guys, that I actually am going to keep. Okay, these shoes, guys. Okay, it's actually got a velvet from the outside. They're actually a really nice shoes, but I actually don't see myself wearing these all the time. Yeah, so I'm gonna sell this one. Okay, I got my Nine West shoes, guys, which is this ones here. I think I only wore this once. West shoes. So I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna keep them. I think I'm probably gonna keep them. Getting rid of these shoes, guys. Mercy sandals. This is actually like a leather sandals. It actually doesn't fit me that much anymore. I don't know if my feet actually expanded, so I'm actually getting rid of this, but they're actually very comfortable, these ones. So I'm getting rid of these shoes, guys. This is actually not my favorite. You actually feel like you're wearing nothing when you wear these. This is actually stretchable, this material here. Okay, these ones here, it's called the Lonsdale brand shoes. I'm probably gonna get rid of these, guys. I mean, I only wore this once, but they're not that I actually don't they're also not my favorite, guys. Okay, these are my Nike black shoes, guys. Still haven't worn this yet, but definitely keeping these ones. Red Converse shoes. I believe I only wore these once. These Converse. These are sports girl shoes, which I'm not gonna wear them anymore, guys. I think I only wore them a couple of times. I'm actually getting rid of these shoes, guys. This is actually what brand is this? This is actually a Topshop shoes. which I actually haven't actually haven't worn these shoes yet, guys. I don't think I'll ever gonna wear these Topshop shoes, guys, that I'm not gonna be wearing anymore. So this needs to go. Lacoste shoes that I'm gonna be keeping, guys. This was actually given by my daughter. Shoes. This is from TK Maxx, guys. So I'm still gonna be keeping these boots, guys. They're actually very comfortable, very soft, and also they're actually not too high, and the heels are actually not a very pointy heels, which is good. So I'm keeping these ones. Quite a few Converse here that my daughter actually gave me, white Converse that I've actually loved wearing, so I'm keeping these ones. And these ones here is, they're actually similar from that the Topshop that I had. So I'm still gonna be yeah, keeping these Converse shoes, because you know, Converse shoes are very nice casual wear that you can just match it up with a dress, with the shorts, you know, with a skirt. Vans. Oh, these are the Vans, guys. Yeah, this one needs to go, guys, because I think I washed them. I washed the shoes. Yeah, that's, oh look, so like, yeah. Okay, these are my it's like a cotton on shoes, my John Mercy's shoes. So this one's here, guys. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm actually keeping these shoes, guys. These are my Portman's shoes, guys. This is probably needs to go. I used to wear this when I was working. I probably only wore this probably a couple of times because they're a little bit too high, guys. These are a black boots. The brand name is Red Keys. This one here needs to go. Still in great shape. Looks like, guys. Yeah, but they're actually not my favorite. So it's got a shiny texture from the outside, and the heels are actually the right height. The H&M boots, guys. I actually wear a lot of boots like this when I'm actually used to work, because they're actually, you know, easy to use, you know, that's gonna keep me warm, because it gets pretty cold when you're inside the office. So these needs to go, guys, because they're actually a little bit pointy for me. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Okay, so these are another boots again. I haven't worn this yet, guys. This is a cotton on brand shoes. They're just not my favorite, guys, so these shoes needs to go. Okay, I actually got another, I think I got this from TK Maxx. So I'm actually keeping these, guys. So these are my Birkenstone like a thongs, guys. I'm keeping these, guys. Okay, these ones are my DKNY like slip-in shoes that I'm still gonna keep, because they're actually very handy during summertime. And Sour Smith slip-in thongs, so I'm gonna keep these ones because they're actually very comfortable. Okay, this one here, this is called Blowfish Malibu. So this is probably needs to go, guys. Here are my sports girl shoes, which is I'm gonna be keeping them because I actually don't have this type of style yet. These are another boots, guys, which I'm not gonna be, I actually haven't worn this yet. These are needs to go, guys. Okay guys, these are the shoes that going. I just feel like they, you know, they're just sitting in our shoe racks to get rid of my 12 pairs of shoes. Looks like now. So that's my section there, guys. Shoes that I'm gonna be wearing a lot. Yeah, guys, I hope you've actually enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.